Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. With the festive season, the sale season is also back and the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale is here. And today in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best deals on cameras which are too good to be true. So let's start. Flipkart Big Billion Day sale is starting from 29 September and goes on till 4th of October. And during this period, there'll be a lot of amazing offers on cameras and other photography accessories. And today in this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite deals which are definitely worth checking out. So starting with the deal on the DSLR camera, Canon EOS 3000D with the 1855mm lens. The actual price of this camera is Rs 21,999, but during the sale, it will be available at lowest ever DSLR price. And also, you can get additional discount on exchange. Yes, for the first time, there is an exchange program on DSLRs on Flipkart. And apart from that, there'll be other offers such as 12-month no-cost EMI and also exchange offers on camera lenses. Talking about the camera lenses more, during the sale, camera lenses from Nikon, Canon, Sigma, Tamron will be available on offer. And as I have mentioned earlier, that there will be an additional discount on exchange of old lens. Moving towards our next deal, the Nikon T3500 with the kit lens will be on offer. And usually the price of this camera is around 27,000 rupees, but it will be up for grab at lowest price ever. Here is one more deal on the Nikon camera, and the Nikon D5600 with dual lens will be available at deal price of 42,999, which is a drop from the usual price of 47,999. It's a touchscreen camera which features instant image shared through the SnapBridge app. During the Big Billion Day sale, there'll be good discount and offers on DSLRs, mirrorless cameras across different price range, and from brands like Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, Panasonic and more. And if you're looking to buy a mirrorless camera, then this is the right time for you, as the mirrorless camera will be available at lowest price ever. And here is one good deal here, where you can get the Panasonic Lumix G85, which supports 4K video recording and comes with the 5-axis stabilization. This camera will be available on offer with up to 35% off. Now if you're someone who's looking for a decent point and shoot digital camera, then during this sale period, you'll be getting the best deals on digital cameras with starting price from just Rs 4,999. Apart from the digital cameras, now you can get the action camera starting from Rs 2,999. Talking more about the action camera, GoPro Hero 8 will be available on Flipkart, which is launching during the sale period. And personally I'm waiting for it and really excited to buy one. Now moving towards some must-have accessories such as tripods, you can get tripods from brands like Kodak, Sempex for less than 1,000 rupees during the sale period. And here is a deal, for instance, the Digitech DTR550W. This tripod will be available on lowest price ever from the usual price of 1,499. This tripod comes with the accessory hook, 3-way adjustable head and the bubble head for horizontal position. Apart from tripods, there'll be a lot of offers on gimbals from brands like Digitech, DJI, Kodak, Feiyutech and lot more. Here is one deal on gimbal which I have handpicked for you guys. DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal will be available during this sale at lowest price ever. And the actual price of this gimbal is Rs 9,499. This gimbal offers action tracking, motion lapse and also has a zoom controls. And guys, apart from these deals and offers, there'll be a lot more during this sale period. And you can avail other offers such as 10% discount on Axis Bank debit and credit cards and also on the ICICI Bank credit cards. You can also opt for cardless EMI and Flipkart Pay Later to no-cost EMIs on leading bank debit and credit cards. Flipkart Plus member will be able to redeem super coins and earn 4 times more coins. So guys, these were some of the best deals and offers to check out during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. The sale is starting from 29 September to 4th of October, and if you're looking to buy cameras or accessories at lowest price, then it's now or never. So that's all in this video. Hope you like it, and we'll be doing more videos on deals and offers, so stay tuned for that. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.